Today, let's check out this box from Joocyee. This is their Chinese Valentine's design box. When I see the swatches on TikTok, there is a couple of interesting colors in the eyeshadow palettes, hence why I bought it. Today is going to be a first impression. As you guys can tell, I haven't done my eyes, so let's do it together. It's a very pretty box. When you open it, this is what it looks like. Oh wow. When you open it, it's literally like a book. Like a limited edition book. Wow. And here you see a handheld fan, which is very cute. I'll take out in a minute. I think these three are the lipstick, limited edition to this packaging as well. And this is the eyeshadow palette. Let's start from this side to here. Every time I want to hold this, I really want to do like that. Anyway. This is cute. And let's open the three lipstick. We will see the packaging first. I think I will do the eyeshadow palette first, and then let's do the lipstick swatches. But that's just randomly open one, which is 720L. The outside packaging is kept the traditional way of the Joocyee lipstick. Ooh. It is very, very cute. In here it has the print of its design. This time it's orchid design. Oh, the bottle is just so nice to touch. You feel like it's some materials that has plastic combined with glass. Very good quality, that's what I'm trying to say. This is all three together. The shape of the packaging is the same as their nude collection. The nude collection, the lip matte or liquid lipstick, I really like. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it over here. And I'm most interested in this eyeshadow palette. And because it has a very interesting blue color in there. The packaging itself, again, the shape, the feel of it is same as their nude collection, but the surface, the design, which is this time a special edition. Orchid Night, color is F14. Look at this, for beautiful color. It's so cute. I'm most interested is this gray blue. Should I call this ashy blue? Okay, before I do the swatch, and let's see the details of a very attention to details covering here on each eyeshadow, apart from the shimmer one. Can you see? When you touch it, again, it's creamy fine and is the same texture as the nude collection. Pigmentation is medium. The powder quality is really good. That's the four colors. The shimmer color is very pretty. It's very attention to details. All colors has good amount, apart from the shimmer color, the matte colors all have a good amount of gray in there. And it's not too ashy based on the swatches. And let's try it on the eye. What I would do is as it's only four colors anyway, so I would do a simple eye look. I'll fast forward this bit, then I share my thoughts based on first impression. What do you guys think about this color? Based on first impression, I couldn't make up my mind because there are things I like but not sure about. I think the color combination, those four colors worked very well, especially those three matte colors together. They all have a good level of gray and undertone blue in there. Especially if you guys see these two colors applied on my lid, that I layered this ashy or grey blue color on top of this more light plum color. When I just light-handed, only did like a couple of layers, the color looks like light lavender, more toward cool tone. But when I layered more, as I wanted the blue color to be more showing on the eyelid, somehow I feel like it more towards grey. But when I finish the entire eye look, it doesn't look like my eyes are punched by someone. It doesn't look like blues anymore. I don't know. I just don't know. The shimmer color, to be honest, when I do the swatches, I really like it. When I dust it on the eyelid, I do like it. However, I would prefer their nude collection, which is this palette, F12, this one. Let me show you the difference. I would prefer the shimmer color from this palette actually. It's not about the color difference, but it's about the overall performance. I think you can straight away tell the difference. This one, which is F14, the limited edition, it is way much more subtle. And this is from the nude collection, F12. It is stronger, more sparkle, and very fine, like space dust dropped on top of the base color. So it's not about something wrong. I think it's really down to your own preference. My preference is I still prefer this one. It's just give me a little bit sun or spotlights catching. The color combination, I think compared to the nude collection, obviously is very different color collections. This one, I would say, based on the first impression, what I like it is the level of gray, which I mentioned many times. The helpness of those gray hint in there is to reduce the puffiness of your eyelid, especially more friendly for Asian type of eye look or hooded eyes. But on the other side, when this color applied on the eyelid is very much depending on your skin tone. It wouldn't work for all skin tones, although this color is still daily wearable. It's not a strong pigment. Earlier, I actually had a look at my eye look in the bathroom lighting. Under the bathroom lighting, it made it even more subtle, the entire eye look. So if you feel earthy color is boring as a daily look, you can certainly try this type of color. But I would say if you are medium or even darker skin than medium, probably not. This amount of gray showing on your skin tone would look a little bit weird. Let's see the lipstick. The three colors that included in this package are 718, 719, 720. I will do the swatches together. So let me get the color right. From top down, 718, 719, 720. Screenshot time. You know what, let me grab one of FLORASIS and one Flower Nose. Let's compare the formulation. I think they're very similar. Here's something interesting. Let me show you closely. This is Joocyee. This is FLORASIS and G403. And this is Flower Nose J01. These three colors have good similarities. I would say Joocyee one is the lightest in comparison to the other two. The other two already are the dupe, which I mentioned on FLORASIS lip glass video. Let's do the first one in the middle, which is 719. By the way, this one, I just feel they smell similar. Two of them smells very close, about 90% similar, Joocyee and flower nose. Not sure. The formulation, it is similar like FLORASIS and flower nose, but this one is lighter, which also reflected on its pigmentation. It is like a medium to low pigment. Even my own lip color isn't dark, it's fairly light itself. Besides, I covered a little bit by the foundation. It still only covers about 70%, 70-80% of my own lip color. So basically this, when this color swipe on my lip, even I layered the colors on, it still has color patches. It's not because of the product that cannot be spread evenly. No, it's not. It's just because the pigment cannot cover the entire lip color. Therefore, when you tilt it, you seems see different color shades on your lip. So for example, this one, you will see is more towards the berry color in the middle, but go around here, especially the edges, which I have a little bit of darkness around my lip edges. It shows a slightly darker color and it looks, make your lip looks a little bit like dirty in a way that it is like you had a meal and forgot to wipe your lip edge like that. So 719, this color is supposed to be like a berry nude, but I think the pigment needs to be a little bit stronger. Let's do 720, which is this one. Interesting, it has a very good level of brown in there. It's actually showing coffee toffee color on the swatch. Oh, let me see, actually they have a tint as well, and they all have a little bit. See, as I'm facing natural daylight, pure natural daylight, so you may see sometime the lighting change a little bit because, you know, the sky, the weather out there, I can't control, but it's also a good opportunity to actually reflecting a real color of any lip product. You see, when there is a strong lighting, it has absorbed the brownness a little bit, which make the color reflecting slightly nicer. But now it's like normal lighting, when it's become stable outside, it reflecting more like chocolatey coffee color. I don't suit this color, let's put that way. This pigmentation of this color 720 is better than the other two. This one can cover up to 90%. However, it's still the edges. I purposely overdraw a little bit. Can you see still here? It doesn't matter how much like I'm trying to layer it up, try to even it up, but it's still showing like lighter color on the edges and darker color surround here now. This lip color certainly doesn't go with today's eye look, so I'm still going to change it. Do the 718 instead. Oh no. This color is pretty much disappeared on my lip. It's pretty much my own lip color, and it's just like I applied a lip gloss or hinted colored lip gloss. So, based on today's first impression, I would put eyeshadow palette on hold as I do need to work with it a little bit more to actually create some eye looks that myself liking it. I'm not saying that I dislike today's eye look, I do, but I just feel this blue could probably add somewhere else which could reflect a little bit better. So I need to work on it a little bit more. The lip gloss, 3 colors. Yeah, no. I think the key challenge with this lip gloss is the pigmentation. It's not the formulation, but the pigment. It's too low pigmentation. Therefore, because it's a lip gloss, so if you are not strong enough to actually have a good amount of coverage, it will show patchiness on your lip. It will always feel like you can't get it even, but it is actually even on your lip. So, and the 3 colors, nothing surprised me. So if you're interested in this similar like lip gloss or lip glass, go for FLORASIS or go for the flower nose one. They have personally feel better choices than Joocyee. But Joocyee's matte liquid lipsticks are quite nice. So this time is a little bit. Okay, that's the end of today's video. What do you think about this? Have you guys ever tried? I'm sure you guys tried the Joocyee, at least as this brand, right? If you like this type of quad, go for their nude collection. Was absolutely a thumb up. If you're interested in that review video, I will insert that video at the end of this one, so you can check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next one.